is the declaration paper. That's all. Mbang if one about that day, He promised in Nigeria that he will stop it. He did not stop it. Now, before congressmen on our buffer is just a metaphor. All Nigeria can equal. Can you think about Nigeria? Don't walk across. That's what happened. Because all their plans in that second. Between first, 30, 31st, first, second, everything they can this at the time. But you go to so that's exactly what happened. Upon Ngozi declared this Biafra, Ifa Akabu is staying on Biafra and to Igbo people forever, everlasting trade that no one if again work our wife for that state. Ngozi Bishop Lundi Igbo and Biafra in general. Onye niru. Onye obone follow Putalo today. Now Pali Ngozi name everything. These are the agents of Nigeria.
True.
Someone like Wafoga said that, look, you might be in a clique, but you don't know. These people, some of them don't know what they are doing. Some of them knew exactly what they are doing. It's just that they don't even want the Biafra to come. They want the agitation to go on and on. Every Saturday, fundraising at Olufego. And then some of them may create content, making money. Some of them, they just want it that way. That was exactly what happened when the Israelites were leaving Egypt.
You're right.
Just immediate step across what's the name of this sea? What's the name of this sea? Is it the Red Sea or thereabouts? Immediately across to the other side. Moses here put the 10 commandments. On his way back, Israel, he put a go one half, so now their God started worshiping it out of anger. Moses instituted the 10 commandments. Out of attitude in Israel. In Israel, in Egypt, including the killing of all the first child, all the first male child in Egypt.
Yeah.
Everybody for them. Yet, crossing the Red Sea, they forgot everything, molded calf, Moses instituted the 10 commandments. And because of that 10 commandments, that was why Moses did not see the promised land. God said, okay, whatever happened, this will happen, but you will not see the promised land. Don't see the promised land, but you will not reach them. So Moses should be very careful for these people not to push her to the wall. Makano otu aka push the Simon waiting in a banana now. Otu aka push the land they can wait be in a banana. Keep the question from Moses. Why are they not pushing Isaiah? Why only Ngozi? For first Isaiah with their APM. Why in a father Alaruzola Makangozi, they want to put her in the same. Ngozi should be very, very careful of these people. These are evil men.
I'm surprised.
And all of them, none of them will see Biafra. You know why?
Okay.
Because they don't want to learn from history. Remember when Joshua took over from Moses?
Yeah.
God sent the spies to go and spy the promised land, where God said, place to go and spy the promised land. They came back, and some of them said, "No, we don't think we can take over these people. These people are too massive, too big. We are like ants, to them. We don't think we can do it." But you see the brave one that say, "No, God has given us this place. We shall go and take it. We will take over everything that God has given to us." Those guys that summoned the courage to say this thing were the ones God said, "You're going to see the promised land." All the other ones that doubted God, none of them saw the promised land. God said, "You are not going to see the promised land because they doubted God." That is what is going on now. Anybody telling you to fall back will not see Biafra. Anybody telling you to fall back to break after you declared Biafra, that person will not see Biafra. I'm not cursing anybody, but Igbo people don't know today. Igbo people they are choosing generation. They are not just adopted children of Israel. Igbo people are pure children of Israel. They are choosing generation. Everything that happened to Israelites are what God is replicating now in Biafra. So if you are falling back, you know where you are falling to. But we are moving forward, forward ever. So, Kai, thank you very much.
God bless you, my brother.
May God bless Simon Epa. May God bless Ngozi Orabeze and her erudite cabinet. And may God bless the United States of Biafra. Amen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. So, he said a lot of things, but let's continue. We have another person.